Hey, welcome to the video presentation on Introduction to Geometry. And in this video, I will discuss very briefly about Introduction to Geometry. And the reason why this discussion is going to be brief is because there are many terms or the concepts that you are not aware of, because this field of mathematics, that is geometry, is very new to you. But it's not that new to you because you use the concept of geometry in your day-to-day life. And how? That's we are going to discuss. Now, according to historians, this field of, or the branch of mathematics, that is geometry, it dates back or goes back to ancient history or ancient period of history. And the father of geometry is Euclid of Alexandria. And geometry has been taken from a word geometron, where geo means earth and metron means measurement. So it's basically the study of measurements, the size, the shapes of objects. Size, shape, measurement, and when you go to a further advanced level of geometry, then it covers properties of space, and there's some other things that are covered in geometry, properties of space, and etc. So these size, shape and measurement, these are the very basics of geometry. Suppose you want to design a table, you want to design and construct a table. Now let's suppose that this table has two parts. This table that you are going to design or construct has two parts. Okay, you first divide it into two parts, and the first part is the top of the table, and the next one, the other part, will be the legs of the table. Now, when you cover the top of the table that you are going to design or and construct, so first you will choose a material, that what material you are going to use for this top of the table, whether it's iron, whether it's made of some other metal, or it's going to be the wooden table, or it's going to be plastic. Then you will decide, okay, now I have chosen the material, what shape I can give to the top of the table, whether it's going to be a round shaped, or it's going to be something flat, and in flat also it can be a rectangle, it can be a square, or like maybe of some mixture of this flat surface and this circular and the round one. So this is the shape. This was the shape that you decided. Now when you decide the shape, then the other point that comes in your mind is the size. What size are you going to make for this you'll choose for this top of the table. Then after material, then shape, then size. Then when you have decided this shape and size, then you will look for the measurement. That okay, if I have to make if I have to make this top of the table as round, then what measurements I'll take. So according to that only you'll cut off those materials, right, to make the top of the table, if it's going to be a round or a perfect circle or whatever. So according to that only you'll take the measurements and you'll cut off that material to make the top of the table. Now then comes the number of legs of the table. Now when it comes for the legs of the table, again you'll decide whether it's going to be of same material, it's going to be of same material or some other material, whatever. And then again you will decide the shape, whether the shape of the legs will be, let's say that it's going to be of something of this shape, or it's going to be of something this shape, or it's going to be a round shaped and with the flat one mixed together. And then again you'll, in order to build this shape, you'll think of size, and when you have decided for the size, you'll go for the measurement. I mean, the similar approach that you will adopt here to construct this, to make this table, to design this table. So when you are done with all these, requirements, I mean whatever you need to make this table, then you will start designing that table. Okay, then you physically start working on the table and then you make your table. So if you see if you can see clearly, then here you are taking into account all those things, that is shape, the size, the measurements, and then after all these things you make your table, you physically design your table. And that's what geometry is.